Telescopic sliding gates are 2 or 3 track sliding gate depend upon the site conditions. They can considerably reduce the back run required as compared to a single leaf gate. The gates are fabricated to make it possible to achieve a maximum clear opening. Both the gate's leaf are operated with a single sliding gate operator with specially designed telescopic mechanism. Motorized cantilever gate, generally known as trackless sliding gate, is a system for sliding gates, which is suitable for securing industrial, commercial and public utilities where the road surfaces are uneven or sloping. This gate is fabricated of sturdy steel and works on a simple principle of 2 heavy-duty carriages grouted and a monolithic galvanized track that rolls on the carriages, thus obviating the need for a bottom track. Insight Automation produces all type of entrance gate as per the customer choice. For more details about our unique entrance products and solutions, contact our customer executives.